Gigaclear Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product can be found in the description below. In this review, we'll take a closer look at Gigaclear, a UK-based broadband provider offering ultra-fast full-fibre internet. Gigaclear aims to provide top-tier connectivity, primarily in rural and suburban areas where traditional broadband services are limited. One of the standout features of Gigaclear is its full-fibre network, which delivers speeds up to 1 Gbps. This makes it a strong contender for users who require high-performance internet for tasks such as gaming, 4K streaming, and working from home. Gigaclear offers a range of packages with download speeds between 50 Mbps to 1 Gbps, ensuring options for both light and heavy internet users. The low latency and consistent connection make it an ideal choice for households or businesses that rely on seamless connectivity. Gigaclear is designed for users in rural and underserved areas where fibre optic options are typically unavailable. It's also an excellent choice for tech-savvy individuals who demand high speeds for demanding tasks like large file downloads or video conferencing. The company's focus on rural communities is a clear strength, as it brings much-needed broadband to areas often ignored by other providers. On the strength side, Gigaclear's full fibre infrastructure delivers reliable, fast speeds with minimal downtime. Customer service is also highly rated, with users often praising the quick and efficient support they receive. The pricing is competitive for the speed and reliability offered, although it may be on the higher end compared to some mainstream providers. However, Gigaclear's biggest limitation is its availability. The service is limited to specific rural and suburban areas, meaning it's not an option for everyone. Additionally, while the speeds are excellent, the company's coverage is still growing, which may leave some areas without service for the foreseeable future. In conclusion, Gigaclear is a fantastic option for users in rural areas who need fast, reliable broadband. Its high speeds, excellent customer service, and focus on underserved areas make it a solid choice, but its availability remains a limitation for some potential customers.